Hi guys! Today we're going to learn about one of my favorite concepts in art, which is mixing colors. There are two sets of colors that you want to know about today. One is called primary colors. Those are red, blue, and yellow. And the other is secondary colors. Those are purple, green, and orange. We call red, blue, and yellow the primary colors because you can't make them by mixing other colors, but you can make all of the other colors by mixing red, blue, and yellow together. Purple, green, and orange are the colors you make when you mix red, blue, and yellow equally, and therefore they're called the secondary colors. On this screen, you have a game where you could experiment and try to see what happens when you mix different colors together. So you can mix primary colors together, you can mix primary colors with secondary colors or secondary colors to see what happens. Sometimes when artists are mixing paint, it's easier. They get nicer colors when instead of using red, blue, and yellow, they use colors called magenta, cyan, and yellow. So on the left side of the screen, there's magenta and cyan that you could use also to help you make new colors. There's also black that you could use in your color experiments. To do the game, all you have to do is put your mouse over the color you want to use and drag it into the middle of the screen. Then take the color you want to mix with it and drag it and layer it on top of your first color. Look, when I mixed magenta and blue, it made a beautiful purple. I could put those circles back and try something different. I wonder what would happen if I mixed yellow and green together. Ooh, it looks like it makes lime. What about yellow and blue? I think that might make green. I wonder what would happen if instead of using blue, I used cyan. See, you could see the green, it looks much brighter. That's why sometimes artists use these colors to mix with instead of these. One more, I wonder what happens if I mix black and yellow. That's pretty interesting. You could take your time and click and drag and do all kinds of color experiments. And then on the last slide, tell me about what you discovered.